In this video, I'm going to show you how to analyze data quickly and accurately using DeepSeek AI in 2025. Start by opening DeepSeek and uploading your dataset or simply pasting your raw numbers, tables, or text-based data. Then, type a prompt like "Analyze this data and give insights." Or be more specific by asking for trends, summaries, comparisons, or patterns. DeepSeek will instantly break down your information, highlighting key findings, anomalies, visual explanations, and simplified interpretations. You can also ask it to create charts, calculate averages, generate reports, or rewrite results in a beginner-friendly way. If the data is complex, ask follow-up questions like explain why this trend is happening, or give recommendations based on the results. Once you've done, copy the insights into your report, presentation, or spreadsheets. So that's it.